If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making KHAI PANA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need for 2 glasses of pana are 1 ripe banana, then take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and make a powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. Then quarter cup of grated coconut, quarter cup of jaggery or gur, quarter cup of cottage cheese or Chhena, half a cup of fried paddy or LIA. Now I am making this in these ceramic glasses, but you can make it in any glass that you have. Don't have to be specific about it. So take a glass and in that first add all the ripe banana, followed by the grated coconut, Chhena, gur, LIA and roughly about 2 tablespoons per glass of curd. Then with the help of a spoon, mix it up really well. Then fill the glass till top with water. Then again stir it for a while. Then on top of that, sprinkle the powder and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad KHAI PANA. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.